Hi everyone, hi mom. It's Liz here at the Paper Project, and I am so happy to be sharing this design team project with you guys. It's for Calico Collage, and it is using the Garden Fresh digital kit. I love this kit. I did make a soft cover journal. So let me just show you guys what I did here. It does have some really nice wallpaper on the cover, as well as a fabric pocket, and I did hand stitch that pocket myself because it's hard to work with this wallpaper, you know, to glue things to or anything like that. Elements from the kit, which are gorgeous. I also found a paper pack that is also garden theme, and I thought it went so well with it. I just did a little bit of the elements here with some more of the trim. Oh, and guys, I'm so in love with this size and the way it feels. Let me just check that I'm in frame. Okay, so just one second. Okay, so I've got a recipe card and a gorgeous tag as well, and then I use some garden book pages, vintage book pages. I love that quote. Don't want to be covering it up. And that's just a double pocket in the front there. Here I found this really nice fabric piece that is also a fruit theme, so I thought it just went well with the theme of the journal. And I left these ones together for extra journaling space. I did some trim and lace on this page here. There. That's also from the kit, and this cute little ladybug just gets tucked in there. These are J9 Scraps blank tickets, and I just added a recipe card to that. This flips up for extra journaling, and that's from the paper pack. I did spray some of the pages and coffee stain some of the pages. This says blackberries, and it's part of that vintage book, that complete book of garden. You can read right there. I made this pocket tag with a J9 Scraps time card, and I also added the garment pin in that she has in her shop, and I just added elements. I did that cute little apple there, and then I left some elements that can be moved around, you know, put somewhere in the kit, like it can go anywhere. So I just left those loose. More of the journaling cards, and then this one comes right off. And it opens up for extra journaling space as well. Here I made a tuck spot, added the glass seam bag, and then this is from Edith Holden. It says berries, and then I just added again a little apple, and it's just like a little extra journaling space that I thought was nice in there. Layaway tag from J9 Scraps, and this is a double pocket. Here as well with the doily. And I love the lines that Norella put on some of the pages as well. Made a tuck spot there. More Edith Holden pages. This is a bag J9 Scraps carries those as well. I just added the journaling space there. Love this image. That's a little fabric trim there. And then here I added the photo corners to this, and this is a full Edith Holden page that has berries on it again. You can just do whatever. I will be listing this in my shop, you guys, although I had a hard time deciding because I love it so much. I thought I was going to keep it. I like that little quote there. A butterfly, center of the signature. I will list everything I've used below, and all the details will be listed in my shop as well. Flips out and flips up for extra secret journaling in there. And then here I just added a little, you know, just extra that you could add anywhere to the book. Made a little tiny envelope here, and I used my watercolor stickers on that one there. This you can color because it's a watercolor, sorry, a coloring page. Another tuck there. Again, elements from that paper pack. Another pocket. And then here what I did is I added this napkin, which is also a, you know, it has the fruit theme to it. So as you can see, it's got all the different little fruits, and I thought it would be perfect to add to this journal. It can be used for anything. Decoupage on something. Got the little snail. Made another pocket there. Again, the watercolor stickers. I love it. This comes right out for extra journaling. Again, the garden book page there. This flips up. Another tuck with extra journaling space. Love the little ladybug. And then the back again has a double pocket. That really nice tag. Again, this says annuals on it, so it is made with that book page. One of the book pages, and that should go right in there. And then extra journaling space here. Just love this kit. I have so much left that I could make so many more, you guys. There's so much in this kit. So much ephemera, so many pieces. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for stopping by. Comments or questions, please leave them below. This will be listed in my shop, and I will see you guys soon. Thanks for stopping by.